Introducing Cub Cadet Ultima Series, the ultimate mowing machines. Step up to the ultimate all-round mowing experience. We've redefined, redesigned, and rebuilt the zero-turn mower from the ground up. Expect stronger, with 9-gauge forged tubular steel frame and E-coat automotive-grade corrosion protection. These machines will go the distance. Expect more power with premium Kawasaki engines for ultimate performance. Expect the ultimate cut with optimal durability and unrivaled strength from the superior fabricated Aero Force cutting deck. Expect a serious command center, optimized for the ultimate driver experience, giving you complete comfort and total control. With a fully adjustable padded seat with advanced suspension. The Ultima delivers the ultimate mowing experience. Leg room to spare. Adjustable ergonomic control arms with vibration absorbing hand grips. And LED headlights for extra safety. Expect engineering excellence. Everything redefined for superior comfort while cutting at maximum speeds. Precision adjustable Aero Force deck for the ultimate cut. Offset axle for precise turns and fine trimming. Larger premium turf saver tyres for high traction with low impact. Expect easy maintenance. Hinged pan door for easy deck access and maintenance-free spindles. American muscle machine built for tough Aussie terrains. And with 0% finance, it makes owning a Cub Cadet easy. So what are you waiting for? Step up to the new Ultima Zero Turn from Cub Cadet. Drive it, we dare you.